before.
The peace before the storm.
Say subscribe.
Don't forget like and subscribe. God, I got so tan. I just woke up at like 6:20, did my business, and then oh my god, that hurts. My head hurts from the spa. I don't know, man. Maybe because I'm not used to massages, so or maybe the masseuse was like being too harsh on me, but kind of hurts. But the massage was really fun last night. I got my hair washed at the spa yesterday, then got a head and shoulder massage and feet massage. I could barely feel the feet massage, what happened to me, but yeah, the head massage was nice. It was really good. It was just, I don't know, the after effect is quite painful. And then now we are heading for breakfast, 6:30. And our driver is gonna pick us up at 8, so we gotta eat in half an hour and get ready in an hour. Dude, I turned like, I don't know, 3 shades darker. This is insane. Heading for breakfast. Let's go. Tan skin, sorry, 2 tan skin ladies. Ew.
My face and my neck are like 2 different colors.
Why?
My hand.
They're not tanning your
I don't know.
neck.
Neck.
I think my neck is okay lah. Breakfast of the day. View for today. From the camera, it's okay though.
What do you mean for the camera? What about real life?
Real life, I can tell lah. Real life, I can tell a bit lah. But what's important is the camera. Oh my god, look at me also. Oh fuck. Never mind. Oh, we are late. We are 10 minutes late. Why do I feel like I didn't carry anything? It's so weird. Okay. We're heading to the waterfall. Yay!
Halo guys.
Hello guys.
Before the hike, this is how it looked like before the hike. Before the waterfall. Let's see. After the waterfall. Before. Sendang gila.
Ya, ini sedang gila.
It's the first waterfall. Sendang gila.
Struggling. But she can do it. Slowly. Okay, can sit down. Good job. Shame yourself.
Why pressure yourself? Let other people do that. Not us. Ting 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 ting. Pecah this one.
Hey, what the hell? Glitter The peace before the storm.
Lunchy, lunchy.
可以拍一下这吧。
I have no idea, but we're at a village, and yeah, we're at a village. We're hiking a bit to go to the peak, and it's so pretty, guys. Like, camera just don't do justice. It's pretty. Say subscribe. It's a video. Camera don't do justice, guys.
Yeah, so pretty.
Don't touch the camera.
Tas tu nampak mana? Once upon a time. Maya. Ayo.
Kalau sama-sama?
Kecil. Can you see it? That's Mount Rinjani. So high up.
In the background dengan bunyi.
Don't forget like and subscribe.
Okay. Project your voice.
Hi.
Welcome to Lombok. Peranginan.
Peranginan. 是不是还有风刀啊？来，
It's so vibey. Dude, look at the mist. It's so vibey. Damn, so misty. Oh. Wow, mantap. Oh. Oh my god, guess what? We've been in the car for the past 5 hours because our driver took us to the wrong place. He misunderstood our instruction and he went the other way, so we wasted like about 2 hours being on the road, and my sciatica is kind of back. It's a stress. It's a stress. We can't be stressed. So now we're just stretching our legs. Yeah. No, it's tipo panas. What is this on my face? Last day in Lombok. Just woke up. What is this on my face? My feet hurts, my leg hurts from hiking yesterday. Yeah, our flight is like at 6 p.m. and we're gonna have breakfast and chill and go get some ole, some souvenirs. I don't think I'm gonna get much. I don't really have luggage, so holy shit. Breakfast is here. We're here to get souvenirs. We are at a souvenir place at Kuta. I hope I can find a fridge magnet. That's the most important one. Let's go. at the airport.
Bye bye.